on the smart contract, and you also want to be able to execute transactions on that smart contract. So there are some libraries that enable you to do this, like Web3.js, Web3.it. It's a JavaScript framework library for interacting with smart contract and blockchain network generally. They also have other versions like Web3.j for developers who are in the Java space, and Web3.py for developers who are Pythonians. So the next thing I'll show you is the RPC provider. So RPC providers, when making a Web3 connection, like you want to interact with the blockchain, in the process of using these libraries that I just showed you, this Web3.js and Ethers.js, you need a node. So you need a node that is connected to the blockchain so that you'll be able to actually access what is going on in the blockchain. And there are different node providers. One of the popular ones is Infura. There's also Alchemy and QuickNode. So developers, I hope you're taking notes, because when you want to start building your first app, you're going to need to use some of these templates or some of these frameworks I'm giving you today. And then with regards to wallets, you know the way Web3 works. When you're dealing with a dApp, it's kind of like you and the dApp, you and the smart contract. So who is you? You're actually your wallet. It's not like it's you yourself. So the smart contract or the blockchain, what it recognizes, the entity it recognizes when you come to it is your wallet. Your private key is what actually makes signing of transactions. So we have this wallet provider known as MetaMask. MetaMask is an old wallet. If anybody has performed any transaction in a decentralized world, you must have heard of MetaMask. I have a video on MetaMask showing you how to create a MetaMask wallet, how to fund it, how to perform swaps, how to bridge, how to read transactions, and all of that. So you can check that out after now. And then with regards to programming languages that you need to integrate Web3, so after deploying your smart contract in the blockchain and you want to use the Web3 library, of course, you need Node.js, which is JavaScript, to integrate that. Some people also use Python with Web3.py, and some people use Java and Web3.j, Java developers to carry out this. And then I was going to quickly just give you a smart contract demo and build a basic smart contract that does code, that can create, read, update, and delete. But I have a very capable partner with me. He has another dApp to build, so I'm just going to let him do it, so we don't take much time. But I hope you kind of like have an idea of what it takes to build a decentralized application, and I hope these different frameworks I showed you will help you in your development journey. Please, I love helping. To be honest with you, within the past 4 years, I have worked with so many Web2 developers that have been onboarded into Web3. So it's something that I do specially and I like to do very much. And if you're a Web2 developer, you want to start building in Web3, please look for a way to connect with me. I'll be very happy to guide you through the process. I know how, and the thing is, if you're already a Web2 developer, it's not going to be very hard for you. You just need to understand what is what, where is where, understand the whole architecture, know where your current expertise is needed, and know where the knowledge gap is for you to cover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little presentation of mine. Thank you very much.